Hi there, Moleman 1960 wood here, stuffed up with the cold. Here is my Leatherman blast, and with the little screwdriver, as you can see, and it's, oh, I've got it the wrong way around, but I used it the other day, and if I can focus this close, not sure it'll pick it up. Let's get down there, it might, right there. But as you can see, I chipped it first time I used it properly and chipped it, and this happened to the other one. They sent me a replacement, it's done it again. So I've rang them, and I rang Whitby Co, which is in Cumbria in the UK, which is who does Leatherman here, I suppose. And I spoke to a very nice young lady, and she is replacing it for free. She said, we've got some spares. I've just lost it, there it is. We'll send you one for free, so you can't ask better service than that, can you? Look at that, chop the end off it. That's, yeah, I don't know what they're making them out of, but they could be a little bit stronger. That's my little orifice it fits in. And now it's Leatherman Blast. Excellent tool. I've used it for lots of stuff. But come on, Leatherman, these screwdrivers could be a bit tougher. Okay, thanks for watching.